This is our first video in the series of Seb's ski toolbox, and we're going to look at jump turns. So we're going to go through the details in a few moments, but for the moment just watch Seb in action. Why do we use a jump turn? Jump turns are good in steep terrain. It helps make our skiing more dynamic, and they're also good in difficult snow conditions. The flexion extension is one of the most important parts of a jump turn. Look carefully at how much Seb is flexing and extending. It's important to achieve good separation of the legs to the upper body, so that when you have a good angulation of your legs, your upper body is still fairly upright. A good pole plant really sets up the timing for the jump turn, and a double pole plant helps make things more dynamic, pretty useful in steeper ground. Watch as Seb keeps the tips of his ski on the snow and effectively rotates the back of his skis around the tips. During the extension phase, be sure to throw your weight down the fall line. Seb has about 80% of his weight on the downhill ski during these jump turns.